Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my fishtail braids. So first I'm going to start off by parting my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to start working on my left side of my head. And then on the left side I'm going to start brushing my hair out, getting all the tangles out with my fingers. And then I'm going to divide that section into two. So from the back part, I'm going to bring it to the front, and then from the front, I'm going to bring it to the back. And this is the basic concept of doing a fishtail braid. So you're just grabbing a little section from the back and then bringing it to the front, and then you're grabbing a section from the front and then bringing it to the back. So normally you're supposed to be holding both of these sections in each hand, but I have on these acrylics and it's really hard for me to function, so I'm just letting my hair hang down as I'm grabbing section by section and pulling it over to the other side. Now this braid is very time consuming, but in the end it's so pretty. And it's so easy to do, anyone can do it, it's very simple, and it's just a great way to amp up any look. So here I am, just grabbing a section from back to front, and then front to back. I'm actually not going anywhere in this video. I just was really bored this day and wanted to record something, and I was feeling like doing some braids, so here we are. And I really like to grab small sections and also big sections, just to give it a more of a dimensional fishtail braid. So I'm gonna fast forward this part just because I'm doing the same thing over and over again. You guys get the idea. So moving on towards the bottom, I like to leave about an inch of a hair left out, and then I'll just wrap it around with a black elastic rubber band. That way it blends in easily with my hair color. So I just tighten that up. Now moving on to the other side of my head. Same thing, just combing out any tangles with my fingers before I start, and I like to tightly grip my hair before I start grabbing pieces. So here I'm grabbing a piece from the front, bringing it to the back, and then a big chunk from the back towards the front. Another section from the front, and I'm bringing it back. I also like to leave out little pieces of hair around the face just to make it look cute. Here I am bringing it from the front to the back and fast forwarding this part again. And that's the final look. 2 fishtail braids. So now I like to go in and just pull apart my braids to give it a more of a boho look. And I'm just tugging them away from each other right now. And then I like to tug them upwards towards the ceiling. That's really cute. Onto the other side, doing the same thing, I'm pulling my braids outwards. And then upwards towards the ceiling. This will give the braid a chunkier look. And that's it, guys. Thumbs up if you like this video or if you want to see more hair tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.